Welcome to this quick guide on sending high quality images on WhatsApp on PC with the latest update. If you've ever felt let down by compressed pictures, this video will show you how to keep photo quality intact when sharing from your computer. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have your chat synced so you can pick the right conversation without any delays. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat you want to send the image to. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group. The steps are the same. Next, click the attach icon to bring up your sharing options. From the menu, select photos and videos to choose files directly from your computer. This opens your file explorer where you can browse to the image you want to send. Pick the photo you want to share and confirm your choice to attach it to the chat. After the photo is attached, you'll see a panel with preview options. Look for the HD media option at the top of the photo preview. Click on HD media to enable the highest quality setting available for that image. This step is crucial for preserving sharp details and accurate colors that often get lost in compression. With HD quality selected, take a moment to review the image one last time in the chat preview. If everything looks right, tap Done. This confirms your selection and prepares the photo for sending at its highest possible quality. Finally, press the send button to share the image with your contact or group. The recipient will receive a clearer, more vibrant photo, and you'll notice less distortion and better overall sharpness compared to standard sends. A quick tip: if you're sending multiple images, repeat the same steps for each file to ensure every photo maintains HD quality. It's also a good idea to keep your WhatsApp desktop app updated, as new updates often bring improved media handling and more reliable HD options. That's all there is to sending high quality images from WhatsApp on PC. With a few simple clicks, your photos will look closer to the original you captured. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more practical WhatsApp tips and quick tech updates.